could you introduce yourself to us, please?
Yes, my name is Stephanie.
And as a dental assistant here, what is your favorite part of being a dental assistant?
I love the fast-paced environment, just getting things done and being efficient. I love interacting with our patients. Our patients are great, and I really enjoy having conversations with them and also working with our amazing staff. Very qualified, very good at what they do.
So when you're not here working, what do you like to do in your free time?
Yeah, so I teach ballet to young students here in Raleigh. I teach at the same studio that I used to take in here locally, which is really cool for me. I really enjoy teaching, and it's full circle coming back around, so it's great.
Neat. And we're getting around that Christmas season, so what is your favorite part of Christmas?
I would say definitely spending time with family. You get to spend quality time with your family that you don't always get to throughout the year, and I really, really enjoy that, so definitely family.
Thank you.